Let me introduce myself prior to start the presentation. I am Dr. Shanta Siribardana, Chairman and founder of the Java Institute. I have held several positions in many government organizations. Board member of Vocational Training Authority of Sri Lanka. Board member of National Apprentice and Industrial Training Authority of Sri Lanka. I have committed to develop National Plan of Action for Children 2013-2018 under the Ministry of National Policy Planning of Sri Lanka. I have given the leadership to develop NVQ5 in ICT curriculum under the Ministry of Skill Development, Sri Lanka. The area of this research is mainly focused on GDP contribution out of software engineering graduates. Initially, let me show the foreign exchange revenue growth out of ICT exports since 2010. ICT exports of Sri Lanka passed the US $1 billion target by 2018. This research will be the roadmap to achieve ICT export target of US $5 billion in 5 years by setting up a university to produce software engineers are required to achieve this target. It is very important to identify the required total workforce, not only software engineers, but also supportive workforce requirement. This graph shows the total workforce involvement for ICT export from 2002 to 2018. I have to point out that the total workforce in 2018 is 124,873. This workforce involved two segments of employees, software engineers and supportive workforce. I will use this figure to calculate the number of software engineers were involved in 2018 to achieve the US $1 billion target. Out of the overall workforce, 38.76% are software engineers and the balance employees belongs to the supportive workforce category. According to the calculation in this slide, the number of software engineers was 48,400. Those 48,400 software engineers were involved to achieve the target of US $1 billion foreign exchange revenue. This slide shows the ICT export foreign exchange cannot be earned only producing software engineers. There is a requirement to produce ICT supportive workforce of 76,473, which is under the mandate of TVET sector training. It is a well-known fact that the ICT export was started around early 1990 in Sri Lanka. Therefore, 48,400 software engineers are currently working in the sector, which was developed since the last 30 years. Based on the above data, I have made a simple calculation to find the software engineers requirement to achieve the target of US $5 billion in 2025. Yes, actually it is a simple calculation. It is just fivefold. The software engineers requirement is 242,003, almost 242,000. Then we have only another 4 years to produce 242,000 software engineers to the job market. Therefore, we have to produce 60,500 software engineers per annum. In 2005, when I was starting the Java Institute, I had vision to become the pioneer and the leader in the software engineering higher education market. I have started the research work in 2011 as a supportive work to increase the GDP with software exports. Software engineers' salaries are really attractive. This slide shows the salary scale for software engineers working in Sri Lanka. Annual salaries are around 1.7 million Sri Lankan rupees per software engineer. It is around 150,000 rupees per month in Sri Lanka. Our institute managed to create trend among school leavers to enroll with software engineering graduate training programs showing high salary scales in the industry. This slide shows the contribution to the GDP by an individual software engineer. It is quite a big amount, US $22,500. The amount is around 4.1 million Sri Lankan rupees. The government invests 800,000 rupees to produce a graduate providing interest-free loans to students with a 5-year grace period. This calculation shows the investment is a smart investment because the investment is covered in 2.29 months. if the government invests for a software engineer, the return on investment for the government is dramatically high. This slide shows the calculation. The ROI is 141.63%. The government can export not only develop software solutions but also software engineers. Current global software engineer job market is 222,336. The US dollar 5 billion target is very small compared to the global market. The global market is more than US dollar 800 billion. According to the pilot project we have done, training of 500 software engineers is a possible task. This slide shows the 2018 convocation, in which year 500 software engineers were produced by the Java Institute. This slide shows the targets to produce 10,000 software engineers per annum by 2030. The target achievement of Java Institute is embraced with international and local accreditations, partnership, quality frameworks and center approvals. Birmingham City University, a partner, IIC University, an affiliation, credit mapped at the European Qualification Framework and Scottish Credit and Qualification Framework, center approval from the Scottish Qualification Authority, ISO 9001:2015, Tertiary and Vocational Education Commission approval, students transfers to the many part of the world. This presentation is just a brief of 8-year implementation research work. Thank you very much to everyone.